Hello everybody and welcome back. Meredith Rocky, registered dietitian for the VA healthcare system, here with another National Nutrition Month recipe. So we polled everybody at the hospital to see our favorite fruits and vegetables, and today we've got the vegetable winner, which was asparagus. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, welcome back you guys. So today we have asparagus and we're gonna be doing the vegetable winner from the poll at the hospital. So asparagus is a really neat little vegetable. It's gonna be low in calories, but it's also gonna be high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, specifically folate and vitamin K. And vitamin K is really good for blood clotting and also for your bone health. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple food hacks today. So when you've got your asparagus here, if you look at it, it's a little bit tough on this end side. So instead of cutting it, all you have to do, and it snaps right at the perfect part. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that with all of our asparagus. And so we've already got some here that are ready to go. So we're also gonna be flavoring the asparagus with some garlic and Parmesan today. And we're gonna use actual garlic instead of garlic powder. Now I know actual garlic can be a little bit intimidating. So here we have a bulb of garlic. I'm gonna show you guys a really fun way that you cut it. So all you do is you break open the clove. And then if you look inside, you've got all these different little cloves of garlic, but they've got this skin on it that's really hard to peel off with your nail. So all you're gonna do is put your garlic clove on your cutting board. Take a big flat knife. You're gonna give it a couple taps there. And then the skin comes right off of it. So you don't have to be peeling it the whole time. And then you've got your nice little clove of garlic right there. So then you just take your knife and you go through. Be careful, watch your fingers there. And kind of keep your hand on the knife and go back and forth. And then you've got this nice minced garlic, just like you would see in the jar at the grocery store, but you don't have any of the other preservatives or the extra added sodium in there. So then we've got our asparagus here, which we just lightly dress with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. So you're just gonna take your garlic, kind of put it all over, just like that. We got a little bit of Parmesan here, so just give it a nice little drizzle. Okay. And then we're gonna be using our air fryer, which is always just the greatest tool because it's quick, it's easy, and it minimizes a lot of the extra oil. So just gonna open up your air fryer. All right. Put your asparagus right in there and try to even it out. Okay, and then we're just gonna pop the air fryer back in here and then put it on 400 degrees for roughly about 20-25 minutes and then give it a couple shakes halfway through. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we've got our asparagus out of the air fryer, and as you guys can see, it's got this nice crispness here. It's nice and crispy, and that's one of the best benefits of the air fryer. You get that nice texture without adding a lot of extra oils or fats to your recipe. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. Just cut a little piece here. Okay, we added a little extra Parmesan cheese. So you can really taste all those different flavors. You get the salt, you get the pepper, you get the Parmesan cheese, that nice little salty bite as well. And then the garlic really brightens up that flavor. And this is a great recipe because I think a lot of people, when they think about vegetables, they think they're kind of boring. But this recipe is guaranteed to make anybody eat their vegetables. So I encourage you to give this one a shot. Well, that's all we've got for today's recipe. Now, as National Nutrition Month comes to an end, keep in mind that eating healthy is a year-long lifestyle. So if you have questions about your personalized nutrition, give your PAC team a call and get scheduled with a registered dietitian today. My name is Meredith Rocky, and we'll see you next time.